You swore this was the last time, but by 8 p.m., there you were, phone in hand, snack in mouth, with the same loop again on a non-stop. You're not weak, you're not crazy or lazy. That bad habit you keep promising to quit is not willpower. It's a loop running in your brain that you never learned how to break. And today, that changes. But wait until you see the hidden side of breaking bad habits. You can't just stop doing something because your brain hates emptiness. It needs a replacement. That's why white-knuckling through another Monday morning resolution always fails by Wednesday afternoon. The science is clear. Every habit lives in a three-part cycle: trigger, behavior, reward. Your brain doesn't care if the habit is bad for you. It only cares about the dopamine hit at the end. That's the loop keeping you stuck. But here's the breakthrough. Neuroscience, habit science, and ancient Stoic wisdom give us a blueprint for breaking free. Not through shame or force, but through understanding how your brain actually works. In this video, we're exploring 8 powerful steps to stop bad habits and build lasting healthy ones. These aren't theories. They're proven techniques that work with your brain instead of against it. Let's begin with the process of stopping bad habits and embracing healthy ones. Step 1. Identify your real trigger. Your bad habit isn't the problem here. It's the solution your brain found in something else, which could be stress, boredom, loneliness, fear. The habit is simply your brain's way of trying to feel better. Charles Duhigg, who researched the habit loop for years, teaches us that every behavior starts with a cue. This means that scrolling your phone for hours isn't about the phone. It's about avoiding the anxiety that shows up when you're still. Stop right now and think. When does your bad habit appear? Is it after work? During awkward silences? When you're alone at night? The trigger is that moment before the habit. Whenever it surfaces, write it down and be specific. I eat junk food when I'm stressed about money. I scroll social media when I feel lonely. Once you see the real trigger, you can finally interrupt the pattern. Step 2. Swap, don't stop. The same cue, better reward rule. Here's something interesting about how your brain works. Your brain doesn't want the bad habit. It simply wants the relief it provides. That's why stress equals reach for phone, dopamine hit. What about boredom? It makes you open the fridge, so you pick that snack or chocolate and begin to feel comfortable again. So, don't aim at eliminating bad habits. Substitute them with any important that is of value to your overall well-being. For instance, instead of scrolling when stressed, try 90 seconds of box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Same cue, stress, healthier reward, calm. Also, instead of late-night snacking, sip warm ginger tea in the same spot. This is the same ritual, but with a new outcome. Research shows habit substitution is 2x more effective than sheer willpower. European Journal of Social Psychology, 2022. Your brain stays satisfied, just safer. Step 3. Make the bad habit harder. Here's a truth about willpower. It's a muscle and it fatigues. But the good news is that your environment works 24/7, even when you're exhausted. Let's say you wake up with a full tank, but every decision drains it. By evening, you find yourself running on empty. That's when the bad habit swoops in. So stop relying on willpower. Instead, add friction. Make the bad habit annoying to do. James Clear calls this increasing the activation energy, and it works like magic. For instance, if you want to stop mindless snacking, put the cookies on the top shelf. Better yet, don't buy them. If you want to quit checking your phone at night, charge it outside the bedroom. Avoid trying to put it away. Make it impossible to reach. And if you plan to stop binge watching, log out of every streaming service after each use. Also, as a solution, if you want to read more, leave a book open on your pillow every morning. And if you're trying to drink more water, fill 2 large bottles the night before and place them on your desk. As Seneca wisely put it, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. This means most your cravings disappear if you just add a small barrier. The habit loses power when it's no longer effortless. Your brain is lazy. Use that to your advantage. Step 4. Replace, don't erase. You cannot leave a hole where a habit used to be. If you do this, you're allowing your brain to fill the vacuum with something, probably the same bad habit or worse. The secret isn't stopping, it's swapping. B.J. Fogg's research on tiny habits proves this. He found that sustainable behavior change happens when you replace old patterns with new ones that satisfy the same need. Put simply, this means finding a better reward for the same trigger. For example, anytime you're stressed and reaching for cigarettes, try 5 deep breaths instead. If you're bored and scrolling endlessly through social media, Pick up a book you've been meaning to read. And if you're having a lonely night, text a friend or write in a journal. The new habit doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to interrupt the old loop and give your brain something else to latch onto. Just think about it. What does your bad habit actually give you? Distraction? Comfort? Energy? Now find something healthier that delivers the same feeling. Thanks for making it this far. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help encourage us to create more self-help and habit science videos like this. Do remember to turn on the notification bell as well. Thanks for having done that. Let's continue with step 5. Use implementation intentions. Your brain loves specificity. I'll eat healthier is weak. I'll eat a salad for lunch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon is powerful. This is called an implementation intention, and research shows it doubles your success rate. Psychologist Peter Gollwitzer discovered that when you plan exactly when, where, and how you'll do something, your brain treats it like a commitment. This means removing the moment of decision, the moment where bad habits sneak back in. Here's the formula. When trigger happens, I will healthy behavior in specific location. When I feel anxious, I will take a 10-minute walk around my block. When I get home from work, I will change into workout clothes immediately. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Implementation intentions give you that power. You're scripting your response before the trigger hits. No more negotiating with yourself. Just follow the plan. Step 6. Track your wins visually. There's something magical about seeing progress. It activates your brain's reward center the same way the bad habit did. But this time, you're rewarding yourself for growth. Get a calendar. Every day you stick to your new healthy habit, mark a big X. Don't break the chain. Wendy Wood's research on habit formation shows that visible progress creates momentum. Each X becomes proof that you're changing. And here's the breakthrough you never expected to happen. You're not just tracking behavior. You're building identity. You're becoming someone who keeps promises to themselves. Jon Kabat-Zinn teaches that you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. This means accepting that some days will be hard, but when you can look back and see 20 X's in a row, that's when you realize you're stronger than any craving. Missing one day won't destroy you, but seeing your streak makes you fight to keep it alive. Step 7. Change your environment. You are not separate from your surroundings. Your environment shapes you constantly. If your home is set up for bad habits, you'll keep doing bad habits. Period. Wendy Wood's research is crystal clear on this. Environment beats motivation every single time. This means if you want to stop eating junk food, remove it from your house entirely. If you want to stop watching TV all night, unplug it and put it in a closet. Reorganize your space for the person you want to become. Put your running shoes by the door. Fill your fridge with healthy food. Delete apps that waste your time. Make the healthy choice the obvious choice. Epictetus taught, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. That, in essence, signifies that your environment should reflect your goals before your behavior catches up. You can't out-discipline a bad environment. Stop fighting. Just redesign the battlefield. Step 8. Practice self-compassion. When you slip, while trying to break bad habits and replace them with good ones, you will mess up. Accept it now. Breaking bad habits isn't a straight line. It's messy, imperfect, and full of setbacks. And that's completely normal. Here's what separates people who change from people who quit. When they slip, they don't spiral. They don't think, I'm worthless, might as well give up. They think, I'm human, what can I learn from this? Kristin Neff's research on self-compassion shows that being kind to yourself actually increases your chances of lasting change. This means beating yourself up doesn't motivate you. It just makes you want to escape back into the bad habit. When you slip, pause. Ask yourself, what triggered this? What was I really needing? Then get back on track immediately. Not tomorrow, not Monday. Right now. As Pema Chodron wisely reminds us, you are the sky. Everything else is just the weather. One storm doesn't define you. Get up. Keep going. Well, my friends, breaking bad habits isn't about becoming perfect. It's about becoming intentional. It's about understanding your brain, redesigning your environment, and treating yourself with compassion along the way. In the comments below, share which strategy you're trying first. Let's learn from each other. We're all fighting our own battles. Let's fight them together. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for investing your time with us. See you in the next video.